Hey everyone, today I have for you guys a makeup haul. This isn't like a normal haul, this is a haul of products that I have been sent from different brands. So I personally love watching videos like this. I think it's super interesting to see what people get sent from brands, and this is my first time filming a video like this. So yeah, I'm going to be showing you guys the things that I was sent from Sigma, Iris Beauty, and Marc Anthony. So I'm first going to start out with the brand Iris Beauty. So they are a newer brand and they sell colored contacts and they sell some makeup items as well. So they sent me their colored contacts and these are in the shade Elixir Green. I really wanted to do this first in the video because I want to put these in. Mine are not prescription, but they do make prescription ones. I couldn't get the prescription ones because I have astigmatism and I guess they don't make the lenses like that. So I'm probably going to be like really blind filming the rest of this video after I put these in. So I'm going to go ahead and go put these in and I will be right back. Alright, so the contacts are in. Hopefully I'm in focus because I literally can barely see anything right now. So they are super pretty. So if you're looking for like really good colored contacts, definitely check these out. If you don't have an astigmatism, then you can get them prescription, which is really nice. So they have 3 different like collections of contacts for different styles. The first one is the Essential collection, and those are like more natural looking contacts. And then I got these, which are from the Passion collection. It says that the outside ring is more noticeable than in the Essential lenses. And then they have the Intense collection, which says that they have a sharp contrast ring that outlines your iris to create more depth and definition for a bolder look. So they also sent me their magnetic lashes. So it just comes in this little box like this, and then the magnetic lashes are on the inside. I really want to do like a full video and like tutorial using these products, so let me know if you guys are interested. I've never tried magnetic lashes, so I'm really curious to how these are. These ones are in the style Full On Drama. They also sent me their Perfecting Eyebrow Brush. So this is just like a triangle shaped brow pencil, and it also has a spoolie on the other side. So here is what this shade looks like. And then they also sent me their Ultra Defining Eyeliner. This is like a super pretty royal blue shade. I swatched this on my hand and it literally stayed on for like a full day even after washing my hand and showering. It lasted a really long time. I had to actually like scrub it off. So next up I'm going to be showing you guys what I got from Sigma, and I recently became an affiliate with Sigma and I'm so excited to be a part of their affiliate program. It was like a really big deal for me to become a part of that, and they actually reached out to me, so it was really exciting to be noticed by a brand as big as them. So they sent me like a little welcome kit for becoming part of their affiliate program. The first product that I pulled out, I was literally so excited for. It is the Sigma Solid Makeup Brush Cleaner. I have seen so many videos with this on Instagram and I'm so excited to try it. Basically, you just like suction cup this onto your sink and then you can clean your makeup brushes on it. It says that Sig Magic Scrub is a first of its kind 2-in-1 brush cleaner and brush care gadget. The virgin coconut oil and certified sustainable palm oil melts away makeup and kills bacteria, while the deep penetrating silicone texture scrubs away excess product and bacteria for a quick total clean without damaging brushes. So I'm definitely going to be trying this out for you guys. I really need to wash my makeup brushes right now, so I'm probably going to go ahead and use this tonight. And I really want to film like an Instagram video to show you guys how this works. So they did send me a few of their brushes. The first one they sent me is the Sigma F80 Flat Kabuki brush. I feel like this is one of those like iconic Sigma brushes that everybody has, and I'm so excited to get it. They also sent me one of their 3D HD blender sponges. I didn't even know that Sigma had like a beauty sponge, so I'm really excited to try this one out. They also sent me their F37 Spotlight Duster brush. So it just looks like it's a nice fluffy like face brush. And then the last brush that they sent me is their E36 blending brush, and I was so excited to get this. I've seen so many people use this. It's like a super small like detailed blending brush. This is going to be really nice for like doing cut creases. And then they also sent me a couple of their makeup products. The first one is what I'm probably the most excited for. It is their Aura Powder, and this is in the shade Cora de Rosa. It's just a super pretty blush. It's what I'm wearing right now. This is probably going to be like my new favorite everyday blush. Next up, they sent me their Creme de Couture liquid lipstick. This is in the shade Fox G Love. It's like a really pretty like pinky purpley color. It kind of reminds me of the Kat Von D Everlasting liquid lipstick. I think it's in the shade LUV. The next product is their Sigma eyeshadow base primer. I think this is like a more recent product for them. They sent me the shade Bubbly, which is like a really pretty like champagne color. Here is it swatched on my hand. They also sent me one of their mascaras. This is what it looks like. All of their packaging is so nice. And then then the last product they sent me is their Sigma Liquid Pen Eyeliner. This is just a black eyeliner. I also tried this one out on my hand last night and it was seriously still there in the morning after scrubbing my hand. So I'm sure that this one will definitely last a really long time. So yeah, those are all of the products that I got from Sigma. I'm seriously so excited to try all of these out, and I'm also really excited to be a part of their affiliate program now. So thank you so much to Sigma for sending me all of these products. So the last PR package that I have to show you guys is from the brand Marc Anthony. You guys saw in like my hair care routine video that I use like their blow dry cream, and I love that product so much. So I was super excited whenever they reached out to me and asked if I wanted to be on their PR list. So they sent me like 3 of their new products. So these are all like styling creams. So the first one they sent me is called their Smoothing Cocktail. It says sleek and straight dual styling smoothing cream and glossing lotion. So it has like 2 sides. They all look like this. And when you open it up, you can open like either side. So you can use them together, or you can use like one side or the other side. I use the styling creams all the time, and I'm really excited about this one in particular because I have like really curly and frizzy hair, so I'm hoping this can help smooth out my hair. It says transform frizzy textured hair into smooth, sleek style. Our dual chamber salon perfected formula combines smoothing cream with a glossing lotion to create a luscious, straight, frizz-free look with a high shine finish. It says to apply this to damp hair and then blow dry. So the next one they sent me is called their Beach Waves Cocktail. This one is for texture and volume. It says that it combines a lightweight volumizing lotion and a texture cream to create full volume textured waves and extra shine. It says that you apply this one to damp hair and then scrunch it and let it air dry. I'm excited about this one too because I feel like this is going to be a really good one for the summertime when you don't want to like straighten your hair or like curl your hair and you just want it kind of to be like natural. And then the last one they sent me is their Volume Cocktail. It says that it has volumizing cream and root lift souffle. This is also one that you're supposed to blow dry after using. So yeah, those are all of the products that I've gotten recently. Leave me a comment down below and let me know if you guys like videos like this. I just think they're super interesting to watch, like just to see what brands send out to people, especially people like me who are smaller YouTubers, so it's not as common. So yeah, I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will have all of the products listed in my description box below if you guys want to check any of them out, and I'll also have links to my Instagram and Twitter if you guys want to follow me on there as well. And before you leave, don't forget to click the bell next to the subscribe button so you guys can receive notifications of when I post new videos. Thank you so much for watching.